Hello dear students, today we learn about the highest common factor or HCF. It is called a HCF, or we can say it as highest common factor. As its name indicates, it is highest common factor. Highest common factor. Okay. So what is the highest common factor? Actually we are finding out this highest common factor for some numbers, two or more numbers. Mainly we will study this highest common factor for two numbers. Highest common factor for two numbers. Okay. So what is highest common factor? It is actually, I will explain it with an example. Just take a number. Okay. The number is 18 and 30. Okay. Now we are going to find out the HCF of 18 and 30. 18 and 30. So we need to find out the HCF of what 18 and 30. What we have to do it is, we need to find out the first factors of 18, then 30. Okay, after finding the factors, we need to find out the common factor. Among that common factor, which one is highest? That is the HCF of 18 and 30. I'll explain it. So before that, what are the factors? First we have to find out the factors of 18. Okay, 18. How can we write 18? The multiples of numbers. How can we write 18 as the multiples of numbers? We know that 18 is 1 into 18. We can write as 18 as 1 into 18. Does it is a multiple of 2? Yes. 2 into how many times is 18? 2 9s are 18. Isn't it? 2 9s are 18. 2 stable. If we are multiplying with 9, then we will get it. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Isn't it? Then take a 3. 3 in 3 stable 18 comes. Yes. 3 6s are 80. If you have doubt, just divide 18 by 3, then you will get 6. 3 into 6 are 18. 3 stable also 18 is there. What about 4? 4 stable 18 is not there. Isn't it? 4 into how many times is 18? We don't know how many. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 80, 4 3s are 12, 4 4 16, 4 5s are 20. Isn't it? 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are what? 20. So in 4 stable 18 is not there. So we cannot write 18 as a multiple of what? 4. Then take a 5. 5 stable also 18 is not there. Then what is next one? 6. 1, 2, 3. I wrote 1 into 18. 2 into 9 times. 3 stable is there. 4 stable 18 is not there. 5 stable also not there. The next one is 6. Isn't it? But 6 we already wrote here. Then you have to stop. You don't need to, because if the repetition comes in any number, we don't need to write. It's already over. So 18 we can write as this way. Understand? So we got 18. Now it is 30. 30 how can we write? 30 how can we write? 1 into 30. Now every time 1 into that number is that number itself. Isn't it? 1 into 30, 30. Then what about 2? 2 into how many times is 30? 30 is an even number. So if you have a doubt, 2 into how many times is 30? Then what you have to do it is, 2 into how many times is 30? We don't know. We don't know 2 into how many times is 30. If you know, means you can write. Actually 2 into 15 is 30. 2 into 15. But if you don't know, what you have to do is just divide 30 by 2. Just divide 30 by 2. If you have doubt in how many times of 2 is 30, then divide 30 with this one 2. Okay. Then you can see that 1 2s are 2. Then 3 minus 2 1 10. You will get 5 times of 2 is 10. What is our answer? We will get what we will get 0 minus 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. What is the answer? 15 we get. Understand? So if you don't know how many times of this a number is this, our number 30 means what do you have to do? You have to divide this number with this one. Okay. Then 2 into 15 is 30. You can see that. Then 3 stability is there. 3 into 10s are 30. Isn't it? 3 10s are 30. 3 into 3 10s are 30. That is the final number. Isn't it? 3 stable. Last one is 3 10s are 30. We are studying. Isn't it? 3 10s are 30. In 4 stability is there. It's not there. You know that 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. Then 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. Isn't it? So 30 is not there. Okay. So we can leave that 4s. Isn't it? Then 5 is there. Isn't it? 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Isn't it? Next one is what? 1 2 3 4. 4 is not there. Then 5. Then again it is what? 6. 6 5 7, but we already wrote 6 here, so we don't need to write it again. So these are the factors of what are 6. Okay, so if any number is repeating in any step, then you can have to stop in that step, before that step. Okay, then what are the factors you have to write there. Then we can see that these are the factors. What are the factors of 18 you have to write it. So factors of 18 is equal to 1 comma 18 comma 118 2 9 3 6, isn't it? 118 2 9 3 6. Then what are the factors of 30? Factors of 30, what we can see, 1 is there, 30 is there, 2 is there, then 15 is there, 3 is there, 10 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there. Okay, these are the factors of 18 and factors of 30. Here what are the common factors? Common factors. Common factors. What are the common factors? What are the common factors means it is for both this one. For 18 and 30, which are the common factors? For both 18 and 30, which are the common factors? You can see that 1 is there. So 1 we can write it. This 1 is in same. Do we have 18 here? No, 18 is not there. 2 is there, isn't it? 2 is for here. 1, then 2. 2 you can write. This is common for both 18 and 30, isn't it? Then 9 we don't have 9 here. 3 is here, isn't it? 3 here and here. So 3 I wrote here. Then 6 is here. 6 is here. Here 6 you can see. Here also 6. So 6 I wrote here. Then is it over, isn't it? No, because in 18 all factors we wrote. These are only for what? 30. So 10 and 5. This is only for what? 30. So among this one, so we got these are the common factors. That means both for 18 and 30. These factors are both in 18 and 30. So what 2, 3, 6 are the common factors. Among this one, which is the highest one? 6. This is the highest common factor. So what is our answer? HCF. HCF or highest common factor. Common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. From these factors, these common factors, which is highest one? 6. So HCF is what here? 6. So this is the method. Okay, any other numbers, if you are getting 2 numbers, you have to do in this way. You have to write the common factors. Then you have to write all the factors of these numbers. Okay, after writing this one factors, you have to find the common factors. Okay, like this way. Okay, common factors. From this one, which one is highest one? That is our answer or HCF. Okay, so this is the method you have to follow. So okay, that's all for today. Thank you.